Microsoft Authenticator app not sending you the code, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. If your Authenticator app is not sending code, then it usually means that there is a time sync app or account issue. Now to fix it, you just need to watch this video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing which you need to do is that you just need to go to settings on a device, and after going on settings, you just need to go on date and time. So you may simply search the app date and time, and after clicking on the option of date and time, you just need to turn on the automatic date and time provider. So make sure that it is on, and if you are still not being able to get the code, then make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi and kind of strong data, and it may help you receive the code. The next thing which you need to do is that you just need to open Play Store or App Store and search the Microsoft Authenticator app. So after searching the Microsoft Authenticator app, make sure that there is no update available for the app, and if there is any kind of update, then you just need to click on the option update to simply update it to the latest version available, and that may help you to reduce the problem of fixed Authenticator app not sending the code. So that's it, that's how you can do it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.